it here, so I've kind of moved myself into the centre of the sofa because I've got that little window there. The sun is streaming in. The sun was streaming in from this window here, but it's really overcast. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. So I kind of feel like I'm looking a little bit hazy today. Executions behind me. Get comfortable. Yeah, I've been working in this room now for a few months, so I've got my desk in front of me, but the one problem with working at the front is where I get all the sun. Sometimes, like earlier, I just had to pull the blind right down, but the back bedroom can be a wee bit dull. But today I've got the light on, but the sun's streaming in, it's weird, right? That's all I'm going to say, it's a bit weird. I was speaking to my pal Lynn, and she was telling me that they've got snow. We've been forecast for snow, but luckily we've not got any. So what do I want to show you today? If you've seen the thumbnail and the title and clicked on, you probably know, but it's my Latestinbeauty box, and it's a Beauty Saviours edit. Now, I must admit, I kind of struggled to pick anything this month, and there was a few things that came on and I thought, oh, I can get those. So I'll just show you. One of them is absolutely tiny, and what I will say about Latestinbeauty is always check your sizes. I've not been caught out like that for a while, but yeah, I have been caught out this month by one of my products. So Latestinbeauty is now a fixed price unless you were an existing member. So I get a 9-item box which is no longer available, but this is £18. So I think 6 items is now £12 plus postage and packaging. This is £18 including postage and packaging. And if I was to stop, I couldn't go back. I'd need to go back to their new offer of 6 items a month. But it's a really good price. And if you want to dip in and out of it, you can go in when you know that there's going to be a really good item that you want. But I just keep going, and most months I do find some things, but some months I do struggle. So this was one of those months. So I did wait until other items came on and it was a wee bit easier. So I'm just going to, without blethering on anymore, I'm just going to go through them one by one. So the first thing I pulled out, I've picked up a few of these now. One I got in a friend's mail, and I think I got the other one from Latestinbeauty. It's a foamy. So this is a 2-in-1 body bar, so there's no plastic in it, and it actually, you know, it cleanses and nourishes. It's got papaya and oat milk through it. I think the last time I used a kind of a naked, as it were, what Lush call it, a naked shower gel, it really melted. And you know, there's other folk that would just say, well, a bar of soap's the same as a naked shower gel, it lasts a lot longer. But I'm really funny, soaps can make me feel really itchy, which is why I'm not really keen on them, to be honest with you. But this is what's different about the foamy. So it's got this little cotton strap here, so you can hang it up. It's got the kind of little bumps that kind of provide you with a little kind of circulatory boost if you want, but it's quite hard. It smells lovely, but this will last a lot longer. I don't know if Lush have changed their formula, but this will definitely last a lot longer than the one that I bought last year. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. As I say, this is my second one, and I am actually planning on kind of trying to make more of a switch. So I'm collecting all my products, my plastic free products. So it'd be interesting to see how long it lasts versus cost. So if I can get a shower gel for £1 and it lasts maybe say 2 weeks with Steve and I using it, or I'm not sure the price of this, so if that makes any sense, it might not be economical to buy these as opposed to buying shower gels, but I do hope that I can make it economical, if you know what I mean. While the boys are kind of here, I will buy shower gel because they go through it. I don't mind. I'd rather them using it than not showering, to be honest with you. So what did I get next? So this is another one. It's Earth Kind, and it's for dry and coloured hair, bergamot and sage shampoo bar. Now, I've tried the other one, the green one, and it was nice. It was really nice. So I thought I would pick up another one to give that a go, but this one's for dry and coloured hair. My favourite shampoo bar so far has been Ethique. I tried shampoo bars years ago and I did not like them. I think I picked one up from Latestinbeauty. It was a lavender one that I think is back on, and it was tiny, but it just really left my hair feeling like, you know when they talk about squeaky clean, that's not necessarily good for my hair because it removed any moisture that was in it. And it was just, yeah, it was just nasty. I gave it to my son who really enjoyed it. He had much shorter hair. So it did put me off until I tried the Ethique one, and I fell in love. The conditioner is amazing. It's absolutely fantastic, better than any other conditioner I've ever tried. So what have we got here? Oh, Natura Ecos. It's a revitalising hand cream. Now this company's got a really good ethos. I think they're vegan and they cruelty free and things like that, and they you know, they use sustainable ingredients and what have you. So this is an acai. Yeah, it says here. So it's we're vegan. We are fair trade, biodiversity ingredients from the Amazon. We work with local communities to keep the forest standing. So that's Natura. So I think I've picked up a hair mask from that one time. The writing is black, so you probably won't see it. It's a hand cream. I've just done a video, I've not quite finished it yet, in which I'm going through all my products, so all my skincare and all my body, nails, kind of perfume collection. And yeah, I've got a few hand creams, but because of the pandemic, I'm probably using it a wee bit more because you can put, you know, your gel on and all the rest of it, and your hands can go quite dry. So I am using a lot of hand cream. Plus, I keep a hand cream in my bathroom. I keep one in the office where I call it the office. It's a spare room. I've only called it the office today. Actually, it's usually called the sofa room. So I keep one in this room, one by my bed. So I've always kind of got a hand cream if I need one. Although I've got small body lotions at the moment that I've been using as hand cream. I don't think they are as nourishing. I have picked up this Dr. Botanicals Hemp Infused Nutrition Moisturizer. Now I'm not adding this to my collection. I'm popping this in a little goodie bag that I'm doing for my friend Jay. She's vegan, doesn't eat any kind of animal products of any kind, so I just kind of wanted to send her a little goodie bag for her and her daughters that were, you know, that fitted in with her philosophy. So I wanted to make it brands. I think I'd set aside something and then discovered it wasn't kind of vegan or cruelty free, so I had to take it out. But I want to try and put some nice brands in that Jay and her daughters can use that meet with their philosophy in life. And I am trying to do more things, kind of trying to avoid things that are cruelty free where I can. I'm trying to be a bit more sustainable with things. Now this is is it AT or VT? AT. OMG Precise eyeliner. Now my favourite eyeliner is a cheapy one. It's Collection Fast Stroke eyeliner. It is amazing. It never runs out. It lasts forever and it's cheap as chips. But I have been picking up these kind of eyeliners, like the packaging, when they appear on Latestinbeauty. However, some of them can dry out really, really quickly, right? Even if I've not kind of been using it, I've kept the lid on it, what have you. I did get a really good one, which was Ico. But then I knackered the lid on that, yeah. So it's got a nice felt. It's a nice kind of black colour there. I like that. So I just need to be careful when I'm putting the lid on that I don't damage this one. So I'll pop that in my makeup bag. I'm currently using a brown one, a Boots number 7 brown one, which I quite like as a change actually. Maybe need to try a brown mascara as well. Now, I think I kind of thought I didn't have a lot of serums. I have more serums than I think I did, than I thought I had. But I picked up the OK Illuminating Serum. So it retains moisture, plumps, it has hyaluronic acid, which is the kind of key ingredient for me, and vitamin B3. So hyaluronic acid kind of makes your skin feel hydrated. However, it can take moisture out of your skin, so I always spray some toner on my face when I'm using it, before, sometimes after. And I've got a lot of, I've done sections where I've put my hyaluronic acids and my serums together, because I have a collection of serums that have hyaluronic acid in them, and just hyaluronic acid. So that will be added to the collection. I've already counted it in my numbers because I knew it was coming. I'm looking forward to trying that. Six. 3 to go. So this next one, it says limited edition Bright Me Up Serum. Bright Me Up. That just doesn't sound grammatically correct to me. London Botanicals, even if it said light me up, London Botanical Laboratory Serum. So again, I was feeling like I was low on serums, so I have added that into my collection. I think there's a Primark toner on at the moment. I don't know if that's to do with the shops being closed, but I saw that on here. So this is Sukin Blemish Control Clearing Facial Wash, and it's 20 mils. And it's a really nice brand. I like the Sukin brand. Again, I think it's vegan, cruelty free and all the rest of it. So I will probably keep this for if I've had a breakout, or I might pass it on to Jay. We'll kind of see what I can pull kind of together to send her. But I'm sure this is cruelty free and vegan and all the rest of it. So my last product, I actually thought, what is this? So I picked it up. It's a CBD vegan balm in lavender, right? It's tiny, right? Absolutely tiny. So I thought, right, that's your own fault, Lynette, for not checking. So it's 2 mils, but when I opened the tub, it's kind of half empty. So it's not even a full tub worth of this stuff. So yeah, I'll keep it as a lip balm. I think you can use it as all kind of, you can put it on your body apparently. I don't know whose body you could put this on. So yeah, I might just keep this as a little lip balm for myself. But yeah, do check the prices, because I was going to pass this on, but I won't be passing something on that's that small. So I'll just do a quick recap and let me know if you're getting Latestinbeauty, what you think, if you've been struggling as well. They've put some new edits on today, which always helps. They put them on a Monday if you're struggling. They put them all on. They used to just do it day by day by day, but now they drop a whole kind of week's worth in one day, which I think is brilliant. So I'm just doing a recap. So I've got the OK Illuminating Serum, the Earth Kind Shampoo Bar, the Foamy 2-in-1 Body Bar, the tiny little CBD vegan balm, that's hardly worth it, the Natura Ecos Akaya hand cream, the limited edition Bright Me Up Serum, the AT, or yeah, I'm sure it's AT, Precise Eyeliner, the Sukin Blemish Control, and the hemp infused natural moisturizer. So I hope you've enjoyed that wee haul. I think what I will start to do is probably just start getting items, not for myself because I've got a lot, but start getting items, making selections for kind of my next giveaway. So it'll be interesting to see what I pick now that it's not for myself. So anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye.